Hi, Steve Rosenbaum here, and I want to give you a very fast demo of the new EZDeals Advanced platform. This is such a cool platform, and let me tell you why, as a local marketer, you're going to love this. You know, I'm a local marketer just like you are, and whenever I'm going to bring a new piece of software or a new service to my clients, I look for three things. First of all, is it easy to sell, easy to explain, so that the customer knows exactly what we're offering, and they say, yeah, man, I need that, I want that. And you know what? Check that box off, because this works. EZDeals, it delivers on deals just like Groupon, just like Yelp, except we don't become the unwanted partner. You know, Groupon, Yelp, they remind me of Joe Pesci from Goodfellas, because they're taking a skim right off the top of every single sale that these restaurants make. You don't do that, right? You're going to charge them a flat monthly fee for running these deals. They're going to love it because it's a fixed cost they control. And that's what they're going to like about this. And by the way, did you hear that I just said monthly? Because that's the number two thing I'm looking for. Is this going to give me recurring monthly income? I don't want to do a job once and get paid only once. I want to do a job once and get paid month after month after month. That's what's going to happen here, because they're going to want to keep running these EZDeals, so they will pay you each and every month. Guess what the third thing is? The third thing is I wanted to open up the door to more services. EZDeals will do that. People are going to love these deals, and they're going to ask you for more. They're going to say, what else can you do? I call this the Trojan horse effect, because you get that Trojan horse past the gate, and you take over everything. Now you could do their video, you could do their reputation, of course, you could do their flawless follow-up. You could do anything that they want and need, because you're going to be somebody they already know, like, and trust. So, easy to sell, monthly revenue, and expands your opportunities. So, all that, let's get that out of the way. Let me show you how easy it is to use, right? That's why we call it EZDeals. Check out what this does. This is just one of the many, many features, but let's go ahead. We're going to create a new campaign, and let's call it Northbrook Restaurants. You can see I've already been playing with this, so this is going to be like Northbrook Restaurants 3, right? Because I've done this a few times, and I can't even type. So we'll just call it Northbrook Restaurants 3. Now, I grew up in Northbrook, Illinois, so what we're going to do is we are going to search for deals already on Yelp. Let's go ahead and click this, and you'll see what happens here. We're going to search for restaurants from Yelp, and we're going to say Northbrook, Illinois. That's where I grew up, right there, okay? And we're searching for people on Yelp that have deals. So let's search this. It'll take a couple seconds. If I went to Yelp and I did the same thing, if I searched on Northbrook and I said, I want to show deals, it pulls up these restaurants, right? There's the H Cafe and Bar. There's Park Street. All right, guess what? You're going to see the same things right here. There it is, H Cafe and Bar, Park Street. So you get very similar results as you do when you go directly to Yelp. Now, here's the thing. Here's why H Cafe and Bar is going to want to talk to you. Check this out. Yelp charges, look at this, up to 30% commission for deals. So if you look here at the H Cafe and Bar, you can see, look, they give you $30 for a $50 deal. So they have to give away $20 already. That's 40%, by the way, okay? H Cafe is saying, look, you only pay $30, but we're going to give you $50. So they're giving you $20 off of $50. That's 40%. Well, guess what? They now have to give 30% of this to Yelp. You see what's happening? H Cafe is only getting $21 for having to deliver $50 worth of value. They're giving away $29. That's 58% of their profit and their revenue. With prices going up, with wages going up, how in the world can they survive when they have to give away that percentage on each and every sale? But you're going to offer them a solution with a fixed cost, and that's why they're going to love doing it. So we know that H Cafe and Bar loves giving away deals. We also know they hate paying a high percentage for those deals and would love for you to come in and give them something they control. So let's just go back here, and let's go to H Cafe, and we're going to create a landing page. Now, I want you to notice something. Check out, we already have the pictures here. Here's a picture of the H Cafe and everything else. So, you know, I've been talking for a little while already, 4 minutes it looks like. What I want to do is I'm going to start creating the page here. Let's see how fast we can do this. I'm going to push create the landing page. It says I've already created one. Please check your categories. So I've already done one for H Cafe and Bar. Let's do one for Park Street. All right, so let's go to Park Street and let's go to create landing page. And there we go. We already selected this as a restaurant. Let's just use the restaurant template. There we go. We got the page up. Let's publish it. There you go. It's already published. Just copy the link, paste it in here. Done. Look at this. We already created this great looking page. What did that take me? That took me less than 10 seconds, didn't it? Now, obviously, we need to personalize this and make it look like this business. So go back here to the editor and let's change out these images. Let's select these images. Let's select this image and check it out. I'm already pulling in the images directly from, there it is. That's their image, right? How easy was that to personalize? Now let's just change the text here. We know what do they want to do. We know what their deal is. Their deal is they give, it's $25 for a $50 deal. So we could just do the same thing. We say the deal price right here is $25. All right. The deal value is $50. Look at this. We're making all the changes. It's a 50% discount. Now let's put some scarcity in here. I don't like to say quantity left. I like to change this and I like to say quantity available. Otherwise I have to always be updating that. I don't want to do that. So let's say quantity available, and let's make this a smaller number so there's much more urgency there because of the scarcity. There we go. Let's update this. There we go. It's done. Let's refresh our page over here. Look at that. Now this is already looking like Parkside. We can grab their logo from their website and upload it there. That will take all of a second. Now, what about getting the deal now? What happens when we push that button? Well, let's go here and let's select the button and we could tie this into a payment gateway like PayPal or Coinbase, even crypto, right? We could do PayPal or Coinbase, or if they have something else, maybe they've got Stripe or something else, we could put their own page down here, a custom link. We could put a custom link there if they already have their own shopping cart, if they already have a way to do that. All right, all that's left now is customizing this. We can grab another picture from here. Let's grab that picture. Insert it there. Look at that. Now this is looking exactly like their deal page. All right, let's go ahead. We update it one more time. We refresh it. The only thing is, let's put a scarcity timer on there, right? A scarcity timer is going to get people to act fast. We all know how these scarcity timers work, right? So all we have to do is, let's click on it. All right, hang on. I think it's over here. The timer control. We select the date. So let's go out here. Let's give this, let's give it like 3 days, right? And we're going to make this till 11 o'clock at night. We'll say 11:59 p.m. And we got to select our time zone. I think we are -5, I think. All right, let's do that. Timer set. Let's update our page. Look at that. There's the timer. There it is, personalized with their pictures. I love that feature. Just pulls it right in. There it is. There is their restaurant. Everything gets pulled right in. Now, we could update the map. Obviously, that's just putting in their address. That's going to update automatically. We could update their address and contact information down here. That's going to take all of another 90 seconds, right? In less than, let's see, I've been on this video for 8 minutes and 48 seconds, and I've been talking for 4 minutes just setting it up why it's such a great deal. That means I created a personalized deal page in just 4 minutes. But you could charge hundreds of dollars for this, and you could collect it each and every month. And then ask them, what other services do you need? Do you need some social media help? Do you need some reputation management help? Do you need some videos done? Do you need some email flawless follow-up done? It's going to open up the door to all those other services. How cool is that? Now, just remember, this is just one of the many, many, many things, the cool things that EZDeals Advanced does. I absolutely love this program, and I highly recommend it. And I look forward to seeing you on the back end.